Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with another motivational thought to start your week. One of the reasons I started my company back in 1986 was because I saw a great need for change in how people conduct their lives and how a business operates. A big part of the problem that I felt needed to be transformed was the idea that salespeople and management did what they did because that's the way they've always done it. And that did not make sense to me then, and it still doesn't today. Yet, after nearly 35 years of training people on how to do things in a better way, there are still some folks out there who depend on those outdated methods to serve their customers and move their products. Judging from some recent surveys that have been done, today's customers like the old way of selling even less than they did 30 years ago. But like an old cowboy once said, if you're going to be dumb, you better be tough. Successful people are always looking for a better way of doing things. They agree with Einstein's theory that says insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but yet expecting different results. They know that there is always a better way to build a mousetrap, and that if they can find one, it'll benefit people and make them a lot of money in the process. Maintaining the status quo does not even compute with a successful person. They know that nature abhors a vacuum, and they're still willing to help nature move along and get the chance to do so. Progress is always the result of successful people doing what they need to do and taking risks. They do not sit around and wonder what it could be like if things were different. They do something about it and make things different. Or as the 19th century playwright Oscar Wilde put it, discontent is the first step in the progress of a man or a nation. You see, successful people are always looking for the next opportunity that is waiting to be discovered. However, you do not have to be the one who creates the next great technical invention to be successful. Successful people will never sit back and settle for less if better things can be accomplished with a little bit more effort. There has never been a time like today when staying in touch with what is happening all around the world is just as easy as getting on the internet. At any given time, you can check the status of business development around the globe in a matter of seconds. If you think about it, the online computer is a time machine of sorts. For instance, when the business day is ending in New York, it is just beginning in Hong Kong. You don't have to wait until tomorrow to find out what is going to happen in Asia today. It's already happened there. For successful people, standing still is not an option. From their point of view, if you're not going forward, you're probably going backwards. Progress is the name of the game, and they want to be on the cutting edge if at all possible, and whenever possible. Successful people want to be the first to discover new ways to do things, or at least first to improve on what someone else has already done. First in orbit, first to circle the moon, first to land on the moon. That is the mindset of success, and that is the way it's always been. All of these things are the results of someone who says, there ought to be a better way. This is what defines a successful attitude and separates them from those who are satisfied with the status quo and doing things the way they've always been done. Don't be that person.